Hello, this is Mike Dyson with Marine Max Sail and Ski in San Antonio. Taking a good look today at a 2020 Harris Sunliner 250. This boat's done with champagne fencing, black accent, black rail package. We've got the dual bimini tops on it for the maximum amount of shade. Got the desert camel interior. That's actually the soft touch interior, so it's got a really supple, almost leather-like feel to it. Done the extended rear deck, powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury V6 4-stroke. That's a 3.4 liter V6, lots of low end acceleration, plenty of torque, but you wouldn't know it when you run it. It's so smooth and easy to operate. Power steering, digital throttle and shift. You've got the upgraded ladder here. The extended rear deck gives you more room to play on the back of the boat. Onboard battery charger, that way you can leave it plugged in all the time. Make sure that every time you come to the boat you've got good battery. Center walk-through dual helm seat design. You notice how open that is. Really opens the boat up. Makes it easy for people to transition from the back of the boat in. Nice loungers with built-in armrest. Notice it's Harris recesses all their cup holders in the upholstery there, in the furniture. Those lighted cup holders are a nice touch with the RGB, so you can change the color of the lighted cup holders as well as the rope LED lights at the seat bases. Upgraded the Simrad 5-inch. That's the Go 5 GPS chart plotter sonar unit. Fusion Bluetooth sound system. Lots of space up here to pile a bunch of people on board. Have a good day on the lake. Ski locker built in the floor. It's always been a challenge with pontoons. They have a lot of storage under the seats, but there's nowhere to store something long like a ski or even a fishing pole or anything. So we got that dedicated storage on the floor. Ultralux high back captain's chairs with folding armrest. Extremely comfortable. Low maintenance flooring system that's soft on the feet. Great boat. Again, Mike Dyson. If I can help you with this Harris pontoon or any of the other ones that we stock, I'd be happy to help you. My cell phone number is 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water. Thanks again for stopping by to take a look at some of the key features and options on this particular boat. We're happy to help you with any boat we have in our inventory from our Austin, Lakeway, or San Antonio location. Feel free to contact me direct at area code 210-347-5768. We'll see you on the water.